Hi, my name's Brandon, and this is a tour of my Ram Promaster camper van. I completed the build myself, and it took me about 6 weeks to complete. I hope you enjoy the tour. Okay, so starting with the interior, I have a Dometic CFX 65W fridge. It's nice and large, holds lots of fresh veggies and cold beers. This is a little chest style cabinet I built as a seat. Lots of storage inside. And there's also a false floor. Under there is housed my Propex heater. It's an HS2000, and that is the vent for it. And a propane detector over there in the corner. And that would be the thermostat for the heater there. The van has Cypress cabinetry throughout and a cedar tongue and groove ceiling. The bed is a 5-inch thick memory foam mattress, queen size. And there's a spice cabinet up top there, along with a smoke and CO2 detector and a small reading light. Down here we have kind of the command center with the remote for the Maxx Air fan, some plugs there, the dimmer and switch for the lights, and switch for the Renogy power inverter. Here we have our sink and faucet with foot pump, some running water, and a 2-burner stove top. We have soft close hardware for all the cabinets, and the gray water and fresh water are housed inside of that cabinet there. It's a little loft up above, storing some bags and jackets. And below the fridge here is just a little pull out them and keeping shoes in. Also soft close hardware. And there's the Maxx Air fan, has 10 speeds and the remote. It's very nice. Okay, so moving on to the garage. Not a whole lot in here at the moment for storage, just a couple storage bins. There's a sealed cabinet up there for the propane tank that vents through the floor in case of any leaks. It's my Kona process. Over here is the electrical system. We have a 200 amp hour Renogy battery, a 1000 watt power inverter, and a Renogy Rover MPPT charge controller for the 160 watt panel that is on the roof right now. And the bike is also on this nifty slide out here. And just makes it a little easier to get it on and off. So that wraps up the quick tour of my van. If you have any questions or comments, you're welcome to comment below. I'll answer your questions as soon as I can. Safe travels, guys.